Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your printing equipment supplier business. As a printing equipment supplier, you got many queries from your customers such as booking equipment, delivery timelines, and get information about the product safety. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation, in where we can take trigger application as in Pabbly Chatflow and action application as in Google Sheet. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your printing equipment supplier business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customers instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of printing equipment supplier, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Print Pro Solutions, your trusted partner for printing machines, spare parts and supplies. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is equipment booking, delivery timelines and product safety. If I'll click on equipment booking, then you can see it will provide me one document scanner printer, including one button, that is book now button. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing my full name. Here I provided. After that you can see it will ask for the address. So here I am giving them one test address. Here I provided. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for booking a document scanner printer with Print Pro Solutions. In this video I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data, that is their name and the address they were provided to your WhatsApp business account, into your Google Sheet. Like this. See, Mehruz Khan and the address that I have given them here. After that, if I'll click on delivery timelines, then you can see it will provide me all the details of delivery timelines that are provided by this printed equipment supplier business. After that, if I'll click on product safety, then you can see it will respond to me like this. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your printing equipment supplier business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our printing equipment supplier business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of printing equipment supplier. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. At the end of this message you can see I'll ask my customer that how can we help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as equipment booking. The second button I'll write as delivery timelines, and the third button I'll write as product safety. Here I write it. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to book an equipment from my printing equipment supplier business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image of equipment that are available in my printing equipment supplier business by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am giving them one caption, that is the name of this equipment. Here I write it document scanner printer. After that I am providing them one button, that is book now button. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write the button as book now. After that, if my customer wants to book this document scanner printer, then they will click on this book now button. So my bot will respond to them. At first, I want to know the name of my customer. So for that, I am clicking on this action option and taken button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question that please provide your full name. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. If you want to write any validation for your customer, then you can write in this box. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book now to this message. In the next step, I want to ask the address of my customer. So for that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please provide your address. See, here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as address and the format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. It is connected. Now, after that, when my customer will provide me their name as well as their address, then I want to store their information into my Google Sheet. So for that, I am taking one API request button. Drag this box here, click on this edit option. Here I select as post and in this you can see it will ask you for an URL. This URL you can get from your workflow that you have created into your Pabbly Connect account. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. With the help of this button, you can create workflows. Here in this folder box, you can add multiple folders and in this home section, you can see the status of your workflow. I already created one workflow for printing equipment supplier business. So I am clicking on this. Here you can see where I take the trigger application as in Pabbly Chatflow and action application as in Google Sheet. If I'll click on this, see, here I'll choose an app as Pabbly Chatflow, trigger event as a new message and it will provide me one webhook URL that I am going to copy from here and paste this URL here. See, here I pasted. After that, you can see there are the three options that is parameter, headers and body. I am going with parameters. In this here I am select the contact custom field as in full name. And the next thing that I ask from my customer, that is their address. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add more field button and in this select contact custom field, I'll select as address. In this key options, you have to write the same, that is full name and address. See, here I write it. After that, I'm clicking on this test option. So it will send one test request into my workflow. See, here I get the response, that is full name and the address that we have written here. After that, in the next step, you can see I'll use this action application as in Google Sheet, action event as a new row and select the spreadsheet that I have already created before into my Google Sheets account by the name that is printing equipment supplier and providing two columns on that Google Sheet that is full name and address. See, full name and address. Here I have done the mapping with the response that I have got from there. Now after that you have to click on this button, save and send test request. Then you can see it will respond to you like this and it will send one test request to your Google Sheet. See. After that, you have to click on this button, save button. Now we will get back to our Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can also click on the save button so that it will saved. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. After that, whenever my customer will provide me their full name as well as their address, then I want to write one thank you message for them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can my response message. Here I write it. Here you can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customers have different names, so sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Now after that, the second one is the delivery timelines. If my customer wants to explore the delivery timelines, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the delivery timelines that are provided by my printing equipment supplier business. Here I write it. Now the last one is the product safety. If my customer wants to know the product safety that I am selling to them, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the product safety of the equipments that are available in my printing equipment supplier business. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your printing equipment supplier business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customers like this. See, even it book orders, provide them all the necessary details you want to share with your customer. It can also store your customer data into your Google Sheet like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation that we have done here. Now, this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.